Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Kerry. Today I'll be showing you some hearts. I was asked to make some hearts to decorate a tree for an upcoming festival. The hearts were made using yarn I had from previous projects. I made two sides, joined them together and filled them with filling. I used my appliques, some crocheted flowers and some brought butterflies, flowers, stars and hearts to decorate them. I used the raccoon pattern and small flowers to decorate a red heart. My magpie pattern was used with small flowers and a small wooden butterfly on a yellow heart. Sea-coloured multicolour yarn was used to make a heart, and I decorated it with my sea otter and small metal stars. I used a hippo made using my hippo pattern and small metal hearts on a green heart. A blue heart was made and decorated with a bee applique and wooden flowers. I used my dolphin applique and seahorse applique on turquoise hearts and added pearl beads. For these hearts I worked a white edging. A white dove was added to a red heart and finished off with strings of small beads and a large bead. My small cat applique with some flowers was used on a pink heart with a white edge. I decorated a yellow heart with a white daisy and the butterfly from my spring blanket pattern. The dash hound pattern along with small flowers was used to decorate this orange heart. My mouse applique, which was my first pattern, was used with some small flowers to decorate a green heart. I used my hedgehog applique and small crocheted flowers to decorate a blue heart. Different coloured small flowers and my skunk pattern were used to decorate a green heart. My wattle and gum nut branch were added to a blue heart and I attached a possum to the branch. If you've liked my video, please like, subscribe and share. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Patreon. The details are in the description below, along with the details of my website where I have my patterns and the details of my Facebook group. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.